Hello all. Do you want to boost your device speed just a bit? Well, here's how. With any device, once it is Android, you can do so. Pull down from top to bottom, go to your settings, and you'll be scrolling right down to the bottom of the settings menu. You'll be going to About Tablet or About Phone, after which you click on Software Information. Then you would see build number. You're clicking that 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will see this pop up on the bottom as you're clicking it. When you reach the 4th, 5, 6, 7. After doing that, you'll have to enter your password. Right. After which you scroll right down to the bottom, you pull down your menu, whether you have to go back and pull it down or as the case may be. But you go back to your main menu for the settings and you pull down developer options will be at the bottom, which was not there before. Then you click on it and you scroll right down until you see transition scale. Right, look, it's right here. So window animation scale, transition window scale, animator duration scale. You want to turn all 3 down, or you want to turn it off, or you want to carry it down a notch. Your device would come at default set to 1 times. So you click on 0.5 for the animation window, 0.5 for the transition, and 0.5 for the animator. Or if you want, just completely turn it off. It's up to you, but we are going to lower it down because the higher the number, like animation scale 10 times, that would be very slow, as you can see here, for example. Whereas the 0.5 would be fast, right? So that is your trick right there to ensuring that you have higher speeds when transitioning to your tablet or Android device. Thank you for watching. Do have a blessed rest of your day or night.